Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken broccoli stir fry, a quick flavor-packed dish loved across the world for its tender chicken, crisp veggies, and bold Asian-inspired flavors. This recipe is perfect for anyone who wants a healthy, delicious meal without complicated ingredients or long cooking times. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chicken broccoli stir fry. This dish combines juicy chicken, fresh broccoli, mushrooms, garlic, and a savory homemade sauce with simple everyday ingredients. You get a perfect balance of sweetness with textures that stay crisp, tender, and absolutely irresistible. If you love global recipes that are easy to make at home, this video is for you. You'll learn how to prep the chicken so it stays soft and succulent, how to cook the broccoli so that it stays crisp and green, and the exact steps to make a smooth restaurant-style stir-fry using ingredients that are easily available in Indian kitchens. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chicken broccoli stir-fry. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. Take 250 grams or quarter kg of boneless chicken. We prefer thigh pieces as it is more juicy and succulent compared to chicken breast. Cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes and place them in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir everything nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Stir everything properly. If you want the chicken to be lightly coated, then add only 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Corn flour is added as it helps to make the chicken crisp on the outside and soft and succulent on the inside once it is fried. Marinated chicken is ready. Once done, cover and keep it aside. Step 2. Preparing the broccoli. We have taken this broccoli, which is 400 grams in weight. We are going to use half of it, around 200 grams. Now take the half piece of broccoli and cut it into medium-sized florets like the way I have shown. Few of the stems which are hard will not be used in this recipe. You can save it and add it to a soup later. Wash the broccoli florets thoroughly and drain all the water. Place a pan on medium heat and fill it halfway with water to boil the broccoli. Once the water is boiling hot, add the washed broccoli florets. Let them boil for around 3 to 4 minutes so that they are tender and crisp and the stems have cooked. Do not cook them until they get soft. Once done, remove the boiled broccoli florets and keep them aside. Broccoli florets are ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 100 grams of mushrooms. We have used cremini mushrooms. You can also use button mushrooms in this recipe. Wash them thoroughly using running water. Make sure to remove any mud or dirt that is stuck to them. Do not soak them in water for a long time, otherwise the mushrooms will absorb the water. Once they are washed and cleansed, take a mushroom and cut it into 2 halves. Then slice the half of the mushroom like I have shown. Similarly, cut the remaining mushrooms. Our mushrooms are ready. You will also need 1 tablespoon of butter to fry the mushrooms. Take 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Ingredients for the sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of 5-spice powder. The recipe to prepare 5-spice powder is provided in the description box below, or simply mention 5-spice powder in your comment and we'll send you the link. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 6 tablespoons of water. Step 4. Preparing the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add the soya sauce, add the tomato ketchup, add the oyster sauce, add the 5-spice powder, add the black pepper powder, add the salt, add the corn flour, add the water. Mix everything nicely until everything combines well and you get a smooth sauce. Our sauce is ready. Step 5. Preparing the chicken broccoli stir fry. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken. Spread the chicken pieces all over the pan. Ensure they are not on top of each other. Cook them for around 4 to 5 minutes on one side. After around 4 to 5 minutes, turn them to cook the other side for around 4 to 5 minutes. Ensure all the sides are evenly cooked.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Once they get a light brown color on all sides, remove them and keep them aside. In the same pan, add the garlic pieces. After a minute, add the butter. Once the butter has melted, add the mushroom slices. Stir everything nicely. Saute and cook them for around 4 to 5 minutes. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the fried chicken pieces. Add the boiled broccoli florets. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Then add the sauce. Stir everything properly. Stir fry for around 3 to 5 minutes and let the sauce get infused with the ingredients. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Check for salt and add if required. Once ready, put the heat off. You can serve this dish hot on its own or with rice or noodles. Do post a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Your comments keep us motivated to do more interesting recipes. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Delicious chicken broccoli stir fry is ready.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.